One eternity later.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to today's vlog. What's good? How are you guys? Tell me how you're doing in the comment section. Let's get interactive in the comment section, okay? I want to make some stew today. We don't have chicken at home, so I'm going to the supermarket to go get some chicken. Okay guys, so these elevator mirrors are so fucking dirty. They don't have cleaners in this motherfucking bitch. But anyways, someone is coming. Guys, I always forget to put on socks, right? And then my feet will be so fucking cold. I've been forgetting that it's cold and I need to put on socks. Anyways, let's go to the supermarket. So I'm at the supermarket and I wanted a shampoo because I don't want to get my hair washed when I'm gonna braid my hair, so they will charge me more. So I'm looking to see, I'm at the drugstore section. I'm checking to see if I can get some shampoo, and I want a blow dryer as well. Jesus, I'm still kind of shy vlogging, so let me look for the shampoo. After that, I'll speak to you guys. Okay, so I can't seem to find shampoo anywhere, shampoo, conditioner, anything. But I got some Vaseline because, as you can see, I look very ashy. Look at my fingers, look at my face, look at my lips, very ashy. So I got some Vaseline. It was just $3.99. I'll put how much it is in CDs on the screens. But yeah, I am gonna get chicken and tomato paste. Okay, so the price of the chicken in there completely threw me off. So I'm like, and my dad has been telling me to go to the Chinese supermarket because it is much cheaper over there. So I'm heading there right now. Because the last time I came here, the chicken was like $4.19, and now you're telling me it's $9.56 or like 65 or something like that. What type of inflation in Kwa? Not me complaining. Oh my god. Also, you guys, I don't know. I filmed a vlog 2 times, and I just didn't like it because I wasn't feeling like myself inside. I was so depressed when I was feeling, and I had to fake being happy. But now I'm better. So vlogs back to back to back to back.
You don't mean that shit. You just running your mouth.
Today is Sunday, by the way. Yeah. Okay, so I just left the Chinese supermarket. It was so crowded in there, so I couldn't vlog. So I'll do a haul for you when I get home, things I got. Oh my god, it's so fucking cold. And I met my uncle in there. He has been forcing me to go to church with you guys. Maybe next week I'll go to church. If I do go to church, obviously I'm gonna vlog it. So be on the lookout. Okay, you guys, so I just got home and I promised I was gonna do a haul of the things I bought. Gosh. Also, don't be scared. I know. I will take them out this week. Today's Sunday, so I'll take them out this week, so don't be scared. So first we have chicken. Ew. Let me put this away. So we have chicken and fresh tomatoes, tin tomatoes, curry powder because the one we have is almost done. That's egg. I'm trying to be like every YouTuber. Focus. The Vaseline I got from No Frills. They have plantain chips in the Chinese flowers. Plantain chips. Oh my god. Can't hit me. So let's do a quick test. ASMR or whatever they call it. ASMR. It's basic, but this is like it has pepper or something. Ripe spicy plantain chips. Oh, I didn't see that. Anyways, I'm hungry, so let's go and make my stew. Maybe I'll vlog it, maybe I won't, because vlogging, setting up the camera and doing everything, it takes much more time than like me just going and cutting. If I'm in the mood, I'll do it, or maybe I'll do a montage. I won't have to be talking and it won't take time. So yeah.
Today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Okay guys, so I'm almost done cooking. I'm done with my stew, my chicken. I just put some rice on the stove. When that is almost done, I will fry some plantain, and yeah, that will be done. So I'm gonna probably watch YouTube or something, so I'll speak to you guys when I'm doing that. The plantain is very hard. It's not ripe. See, I was thinking it's ripe because look at this. It looks ripe, right? Apparently it's not. So I don't even know what I'm going to do. This one feels way softer than the first one. So let's peel this one too and see whether it's gonna give the same energy. Okay, so this one is like ripe plantain. So I'm gonna add salt and then I'm gonna fry it. Okay, you guys, got my bonnet. I need to buy a new bonnet, by the way. I'll try and go to the beauty supply store. But yeah, my food is done. Look how it's looking scrumptious. Oh my god, it looks so good. Also, I'm one of those people who if also I'm one of those people who if I don't watch anything I can't eat. And Diera just posted on YouTube, so I'm like,
Moment of silence for her.
ooh. Oh my god, she's my favorite YouTuber, by the way. Like, I love her so much. And my other favorite YouTuber is Talita Jane. I'm gonna find a picture of her and put it on the screen. They are my two favorite Black American influencers. Like, I watch them religiously, and they all post at the same time on Sundays. So Sundays, I'm like glued to my YouTube. Like, they motivate me so much to be a content creator. Anyways, I'm gonna eat my food, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hello guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday. The last time I spoke to you guys was on, what was it? Sunday. Yes, it was on Sunday. Yesterday, which was Monday, I didn't do anything, so I didn't vlog. But yeah, I said I was gonna go to the mall to go get a blow dryer and some hair stuff because I want to take out my hair. And yeah, today I just had an interview. If it goes well, I'm going to tell you guys what it was. If it doesn't go, you guys are never finding out. But I am heading to the mall, which is a walking distance. So yeah, I'll speak to you guys when I get there. Today, there's no one in the elevator. Outfit check. Oh my god, you guys, it's so fucking cold. Oh my god. And today, I remember to wear socks. So my feet is not as cold. It's so cold. Fuck. Okay, so I just left. I got my bag secured. So honestly, I just went with what she told me to get. I was like, what do you recommend? She was like this. I just took it and my total came to 75.65. Okay guys, we are going to try and film this thing again because I filmed it the first time and I was using my back camera and my face was not showing. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I got at the store. First, I got this blow dryer. I was going to order it online, but the wait time was too long, so I just went and got this, and it was the same price as it was on Amazon. It was $49.99, so $50. And then I got this. It's Africa's best moisturizing shampoo with conditioner. I went to the African store, right? That's why I didn't vlog because I was kind of like, but she said it's very good, and when an African auntie tells you it's going to be good for your hair, you fucking buy it, okay? And then she said this one too is very good. It's called Hawaiian Silky Miracle Worker, so it's going to work miracles for my hair, okay? And I also went to the Ghana store to go buy bread, but I didn't vlog that. I got 2 loaves of bread. Here it is. And I got my favorite snack in the whole entire world. Oh my god, it is so fucking good. Puff. This okay, this is so good. If you're my Snapchat to know, like, I fucking love this. Ever since I moved here, I've been eating this like consistently, okay? Mm. 10 out of 10 recommend. I don't have anyone I want to show off. You hate that. No, you hate that something different about you. There's a little different about you. Please, I beg you. There's no one I'm going to show off. This would disgrace you when you least expected it. But anyways, guys, I'm taking out my... Oh, Jesus Christ. Damn. I've never seen something like... This is the longest I've kept hair, honestly. And I've never seen something like this in my hair. Ew, Jesus Christ. Ew. Ew. Jesus, honestly, back when I was in Ghana, you know, bring my hair 1 week, 2 weeks max. Take them out, get a new one. What is this? Oh my God. Anyways, I'm filming for TikTok, so I'll see you guys when I'm done. Also, I just broke my phone. Like, it fell down and it cracked. I'm over it, like, awesome. Hey, hi guys. The last time I spoke to you guys, when was that? Was it like 2 days ago when I was taking out my braids? But yeah, I'm done and I'm going to the salon now to go get my braids. I asked my private story and they voted and the highest bidder wins. So yeah, I'm getting that style right now. Guess what style I'm getting? Guess what style I'm getting? Anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to the salon.
Purchase your tracks today.
Okay guys, so I'm back from getting my hair done and look at the braids. Oh my God, like, oh my God. These are so fire. Look at the stitch. You can see that I paid money for this. Okay, I paid money for this. My total was 56 point something. I don't remember. I'll put it on the screen. 56 point something dollars, which is way cheaper than the one I paid the other time. If you guys remember, paid $97 because this time around I blow dried my hair, washed it myself before I got to the salon. Ooh, I look so good. Let me go. Speak to you guys later. Bye.